Hi, in this video I'll show you the new Autopilot for SQL capability, which will help you set up data transformations for process mining. Let's take a look at how it works. I can open Autopilot by clicking here, and I can ask it questions to help me understand where I should start making changes. For example, can you help me understand my transformations? It will look at the files that you have available and explain what's already there. In this case, we have 4 SQL files, and for each one, it explains what it does. I can ask follow-up questions to get to a deeper understanding. And Autopilot will also use the documentation available about process mining to answer any questions you might have. But of course, we could also ask Autopilot to make the changes for you. Let's ask it to make a new tag for cases that don't have a case owner. Autopilot will look at the files that you have and suggest new changes to them. The changes will be displayed with a before and after view, so you are in control of any SQL files that are being edited. If you press accept, the changes will be applied, and you can run your files with the new SQL. Autopilot can also fix any errors that you have. Here, something's wrong with my cases.sql, but I don't understand what's the problem. So I'll ask Autopilot to fix it for me. It can not only check the files that you have, but also the errors in the log, and it will try to find out what's going wrong. Oh, I just missed some quotes. That's easy to fix. So in summary, Autopilot will help you write data transformations for process mining faster so you can get to process mining. Thank you for watching.